Hi, my name is Zambia Clark, and I currently live in Lakeland, Florida. Not feeling too well tonight. Waited to the last minute to record this video. I have an itchy throat, a little runny nose. But furthermore, I'm excited to be in this class as it brings me a class closer to graduation. This time next year, I will be graduated with my degree, and I'm so excited. The experience that I've had such thus far as being a social worker is during my first year internship. It was all virtual due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, I was able to virtually be a COVID-19 contact tracer as well as a COVID-19 isolation instructor. Um, I look forward to my final internship as I will be an in-home child therapist with a local mental health agency within my community. I'm very excited about this. Just actually being able to learn from an actual social worker as far as giving assessments, working plans, setting goals, meeting with the client on a weekly basis to see if those goals are actually being met. As far as learning how to provide different resources, um, processing treatment plans, processing transitions. Just really looking forward to also seeing how some of these evidence-based theories are actually used in person instead of theory. Many times we learn a lot of things in the book, but in application it looks much different. So this semester, just looking forward to learning the concrete modalities that are used, as well as looking forward to actually see these modalities used in person in my upcoming final internship this fall. Thank you.